Hi, welcome to the Linux Essential series. We are at lesson 1.2. All right, so if you go to the Linux Professional Institute, you go to Linux Essentials, you'll find this PDF and you can go ahead and download it. All right, so in this video, we're going to be going over how to install software packages on a Linux distribution. Now, if you're using Debian Ubuntu Linux Mint, to use the dpkg apt-get and apt-tools to install software packages. And if you have distributions like Red Hat, Fedora, CentOS, use the rpm, yum, and dnf commands um, to install packages. Okay, so let's try the command figlet here. As you can see, no such file directory, so this command is not found. But every Linux distribution has a package repository, okay? And from that repository, we can download packages. So let us first see if this package is in the repository. So we're going to use apt cache search figlet. Okay, yeah, it exists. So figlet makes large character ASCII banners out of ordinary text. So let's go ahead and download it. Okay, so to download it, we use the sudo apt get install figlet. Alright, it's installing for us. Okay, so now let's try this command out. So let's do figlet YouTube. Ah, there it is. It works. Right, so you can see that is how you install a package on your Linux distribution. Now, if you're using packages based on RPM, if you're using distributions based on RPM packages, then you're going to use the yum search command, and then you put the package name, or use the DNF search package name. Okay, so go ahead and use that. So let's see if we can also install Cowsay on Ubuntu. So we're going to do sudo. So sudo. First, let's search for it. So let's do apt cache search Cowsay. Okay, yeah, we have it in our repository. Configurable token cow. Okay, so let's go ahead and install that. So sudo apt install Cowsay. Alright, we're installing it. Okay, now let's say Cowsay welcome. There you go. The cow welcomes you all. So that is how you install packages. Now, if you want to remove a package, and I would say, I just want to go over this. So it says, although these commands may seem useless, Figlet and Cowsay provide a way to draw attention of other users to relevant information. I don't think they are used. I don't think they're useless at all. I think they're fun and exciting to play around with. But yeah, they're used to draw attention to other users to relevant information. Okay, so now let's learn how to remove packages that we've installed. Actually, easy. You just go with sudo apt get or just apt. So apt remove figlet, and then yes. Ah, there we go. And then we're just gonna say Cowsay easy peasy. That's how you spell easy peasy. Huh. Yeah. Easy peasy. Alright, now let's remove Cowsay. But first, let's say figlet even still works. So let's say figlet welcome. Yeah, no such file directory. So now let's remove Cowsay. So remember sudo apt remove Cowsay. Yes. Now let's see if the cow still speaks. Cowsay welcome. Oh no, Kelsey is gone, alright? So that is how you install and delete packages on Ubuntu. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. And I definitely encourage you to go over this PDF. And yeah, that's all for today. I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye. Before you go, let us reinstall some of this. So let's reinstall. So sudo install, sudo apt install Figlet. Alright, so Figlet. Goodbye. There we go. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye. Joy Tech signing out.